In this video, we're going to look at how to assign a charge item to a sales vehicle. So the scenario of this is, for example, if you outsource the vehicle to get some bodywork done, or let's say you just buy a set of wiper blades from the supplier, and you want to process this purchase invoice so it goes against the cost of the vehicle, which means that when you sell the vehicle, the cost is then applied to the profit and loss. So to do this, you need to be in the vehicle sales role center, and you need to select purchase invoice. The service type must be vehicle sales. So in the service type field, select vehicle sales. Go ahead and type the vendor name in. If the vendor doesn't exist, you'll need to create a new vendor for this. And then when you're populating the lines, you're looking for something called a charge item. So the type is charge item. And then you'll have, in your system, you should have sort of a certain set of charge items available to you. If you want to add to this, please contact support and we can add them for you, or we can talk you through how to add them. But in your system, they should already exist. In this example, we're going to use just very simply vehicle sales preparation. But you can see we've got sales paint preparation, dent preparation, etc. In this one, we're going for vehicle sales preparation. This is where you adjust the VAT rate, so it could be 0 rated or standard typically. In this case, we're going to select standard. It will be quantity of 1 always. So even if you buy, I was trying to think of an example. Let's say you put in front and rear wiper blades on, or there's 2 wiper blades on the front or whatever, and you have multiple quantities. Don't add multiple quantities here. You just have the unit, the document price with a quantity of 1. So it's always a quantity of 1. So we'll have 1, and then we will have, let's say, £20. And we could say wiper blades in the description if you wanted to update the description here. And once this is done, what we need to do now is scroll across to where it says quantity to assign. And this is where we're going to then attach it to the vehicle. So you click on the 0 here and it will open the next screen. And in the action menu at the top, you go item charge, get receipt lines. And this is essentially a list of all of the items that your company has ever received in. So what you need to do now is actually find the vehicle. So I'm just going to use this registration as an example. And you can see it's, in this case, it's an Audi A3. So we select OK. And then where it says quantity to assign, you simply press type in 1 here and close. So what this has now done, if we just look at what we've done, we've created a purchase invoice for Euro Car Parts. I've selected charge item, selected the type of charge item, changed the description to reflect what I want it to reflect. The description is quite important because when you're looking at the history of the sales prep vehicle, you do want to be able to see what you've actually fitted. And quantity of 1 with the price. I very simply put in the vendor invoice number now, change the posting date and make sure that the dates are all correct. Once all of this is correct, I simply select posting and then press post. I'm not going to press post because I'm actually in a live company doing this video. Once this is posted, the invoice will appear on the vendor's ledger entries, and the vehicle asset would have gone up in value relative to the value of this charge item. And as I said, when you then sell the vehicle, it will also apply any charge items as the costs of that vehicle sold. So I hope that helps. If you've got any questions, please let me know. Thank you.